Um, when you open up OBS Studio, this is kind of the interface that'll come up. They just recently did an update, which I think looks amazing. It's clearer, it's easier to follow, it's easier to navigate. Um, I really like the looks of this. Hey gang, this is Kid back. Um, a friend of mine on YouTube asked me to do this video series about how I do my editing. And in order to show you, I have to show you a program that I'm really not that experienced with. I'm just learning how to use this program for doing screen captures, and that's what I mainly downloaded this program for. Was so this way here I could show and explain at the same time, rather than just say, "Take my word for it, you got to go, third one down." Um, so this way here I could show rather than just explain. When you open up OBS Studio, this is kind of the interface that'll come up. They just recently did an update, which I think looks amazing. It's clearer, it's easier to follow, it's easier to navigate. Um, I really like the looks of this. So I'm just going to get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to make sure that you have is a scene. And you can have as many scenes in here as possible. There's as many scenes as you want to run, A roll, B roll, C roll, whatever. But each one of the scenes has sources. And you can give these scenes a different name. But these sources, you go down to this, you have to add the source, which is you go down to this plus button down here where my pointer is. I made the pointer big so this way here you could follow it around. So you click that, and then you have all these different sources of what you're going to make your content with. And to get screen capture, you want to get, where's it at? Display capture right here. You want to click that. I've already done it. It's right here. And that allows you to put in the top window here what's on your screen. As you can see, it just like goes into each one of the screen capture. It just keeps going back and back and back and back and back, almost like going through a tunnel. But until you go to show something else, and then once I get into the next phase of the series, I'm going to show you how to do how I work with Canva, how I work with Krita, how I work with like upload or my shortcut. I'm going to show you how to do that using this software. Now, mind you, my computer is really slow, and running two programs at the same time makes it last a long time, makes it really lag out a whole lot. So the video quality is really not going to be the sharpest, but at least you'll have some idea. In order to get your audio, be able to speak, you go back down to that plus button, and then you click on the microphone, which is right here, audio input capture. So there you can you can pick any of the existing capture like audio capture devices. Since I've already done this, I'm going to cancel this out. But you want to accept it. So this way here, it goes into this list. And you want to have them both with the eye on if you're going to show what's on the screen and talk at the same time. And then once you have your scene all set up, you go over here and you test out your microphone and you make out your levels to wherever you want them. So this way here, they're not peeking too much into the yellow, and like definitely not going into the red. But this way here, it makes editing later your audio that much easier. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of time tweaking down the gain, just so that this way here you're not blowing people's eardrums off, and you don't want to make it so low that people got to turn their speakers all the way up, and then when the ads come on, the ads blow their eardrums off. So you want to get that set up before you even do any kind of recording. Then after that, you just go over to this control section and you hit this. It'll say start recording. Right now it says stop recording because I'm recording right now, but you want to go into that and then just click that. And what I normally do is I'll wait like 3 to 5 seconds at the beginning before I even say anything. So this way here, when I upload this or when I go to edit this video, I can trim off that beginning part and trim off an ending part. So this way here, when I go to make my transitions, as you'll see later on, in the shortcut video, when I merge them, when I merge the next piece into it or another piece into it, then it's going to be like seamless. I'll be able to fit that in there. And this way here, by giving myself 5 seconds at the beginning and 5 seconds at the end, I can just basically relax while I'm doing my video and give you the best experience I can give you with the knowledge I have. Like I said, I am not professing to be some professional at this. I am just showing what I know about this software. So far, everything that I've done with this software, I find it to be a very valuable tool. I find it to be a very powerful tool. And, I highly recommend this piece of software to anybody who wants to do any kind of screen capturing, because the capabilities are just mind-blowing. So that's how I use this particular program.
Hey gang, to get to the next video, you want to click this next video right here. This one will take you to the next video that I'm talking about in the OBS and editing sessions. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.